Hello, I'm in a 2013 Subaru Crosstrek, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and then this is all loaded up. It'll take just a moment. But then from here, we'll just push this to go to your menu options, and then we'll scroll down to Bluetooth audio setup, and then push enter. And then here, there's a limited number of devices you can have stored, so you might need to delete one before you can add one. So let's check that list. So here we can delete this one, we'll confirm. Alright, so now we've got space for at least one more we know. So we'll pair new audio. Now from there, we're going to make sure Bluetooth's on your device, which this is the symbol, and then often if you push and hold that on devices, it'll pull up your pairing menu. So now we're in our pairing menu, and then we're just going to watch for this car multimedia, which came up right away. And then it says we've got this pass key to enter. You can also have this checked if you want to sync up your messages, contacts, things like that, just to make it a little easier for taking calls while you drive. So we typed in that pass key, and now we should be all synced up. And it also confirmed on this end. So now you should be able to take phone calls, play music, things like that. Newer models, you might also be able to sync up maps, navigation, those sorts of things. If you're having issues getting your Bluetooth to play for, say, music, first make sure it's playing on your phone and that your volume's on your phone. And then for here, because there's a media button, you could toggle with that. This one has an aux, so we'll try this aux button. So we'll just click this aux button until we get to Bluetooth audio. And then from here you should see your phone displayed, and then also make sure the volume's on your device. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.